Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the October Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our kits. It will include 2 brand new collections each and every month. You receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts. They're designed by our design team and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and also a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. As a subscriber, you also have access to the free cut file each and every month. So this month is this awesome trick or treat cut file. This is designed especially for us by Cut to You. So be sure to download that and use it when you scrap with your kit this month. Our 2 collections this month in the Double Shot is Cartabella Welcome Fall and Pink Fresh Delightful. So you can see we're getting into fall, all those beautiful warm colors, and then we also have just a touch of floral and just gorgeous kind of watercolor effect for you. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. The first collection we're going to look at is Welcome Fall from Cartabella. And I don't know about you, but I am ready for fall. This is absolutely gorgeous, stunning colors. You're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock, 1 sheet of beeswax. Your pattern papers is this gorgeous floral with the pumpkins mixed in. The back is a burgundy print with the little design in the back. This is called Autumn Blooms. And then we have the wheat and the leaves. The back is the golden plaid. That paper is called Autumn Wisp. Then we have a plaid in all of the different colors. The back is a green cross design, 2-tone. That paper is called Fall Flannel. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love fall colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And I love that they included the little farm truck, but this time it's in that burnt orange for fall. That's just gorgeous. So that's a fun little take on the farm truck. We have the tiered tray with all of the fall little icons inside of it. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. We have banners, the little street signs here. Just gorgeous. So that is Welcome Fall from Cartabella. This collection is Delightful from Pink Fresh, and they aptly named it. It is absolutely delightful. Gorgeous florals. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of light blue cardstock. This paper called Flourish, which has the leaves done in the rainbow of watercolors, just gorgeous. The back is a kind of notebook print with text, You're my happy, let your light shine, chase beauty, love greatly. This paper called Brighter Days has the florals on the grid design. The back is another grid and it has different colors. It's kind of hard to look at. Pink and purple and blue. So that's kind of fun. This one is called Simple Pleasures. It's the broad watercolor stripe in the light blue. And then we have a gray grid on the back. So again, just beautiful colors. Kind of that last little touch of spring and summer. For the embellishments, you're going to get 3 of the little chipboard circles. So these are similar to flares. You're going to get a row of enamel dots. So these will vary. I got some purple ones. And then you're going to get some of the die cuts. And these are full of inspirational sayings that Pink Fresh is so well known for. And then also, this is kind of fun. This is a little puffy, looks like a little wax seal and has a camera in it. So again, all the embellishments will vary, but you get a good idea of what will be in your kit. So that is Delightful from Pink Fresh. One more look at your Double Shot kit. Don't forget to check out all the other kits available in the store as well as individual items. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in on the challenges, share what you're creating. And thanks so much for watching because we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.